Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor, AISS MS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's session on types of menu. Types of menu. What are the objectives of menu? By the end of session, student will be able to learn how to explain the importance of menu. They can also learn how to increase the dining experience of the guest. They can explain differences in menu for better understanding, which act as a selling aid. To increase the revenue by providing fasten the existing restaurant services. Let us understand history and origin of menu. The word menu was originated in the year 1541 when the Duke Henry of Brunswick was holding a party where was constantly referring to a piece of paper. An exquisite lady was inquiring with the Duke about the food items in a nasal tone saying, "May I know?" And this phrase was later converted to the word menu, which means bill of fare. Menu. What do you mean by menu? It is a list of food items offered for a meal along with prices, whether set for individual items or for the whole meal. Menu is a list in a specific order of dishes to be served at a given meal. Book form of menu, card form of menu. You have seen the book form of menu in a fine dine restaurant where the book form of menu is generally served to the guest, and card form of menu where the card form of menu you can find it out all the restaurant and in all hotel organization. This is called as presentation of menu. Board form of menu and placemats. Board form of menu, generally it is kept on board form itself in front of the restaurant where all the dishes with the prices it is mentioned. Placemats, generally it is served in the coffee shops or the restaurant where the most guest turnover will be there. In such kind of places, placemats will be placed where the dishes and prices are mentioned on the card itself. Here is a short video of restaurant menu. Types of menu. Here we have the different types of menu. Table d'hôte menu, a la carte menu and other types of menu. Table d'hôte menu generally consider banquet menu, buffet menu, coffee houses menu and cyclic menu. Whereas the cyclic the establishment. Each dish is priced separately. A certain waiting time has to be allowed for many of the dishes. Some dishes are cooked to order. This type of menu may be offered on its own in a first class establishment. Here in this picture you can see the a la carte form of menu where the prices are given for each dish. Table d'hôte menu. The definition of table d'hôte menu is covered by the following points. The menu has a fixed number of covers. There is a limited choices with each course. The selling price of the menu is fixed. The dishes provided will all be ready at a set time. It is the more popular and simpler form of menu, being easier to control and operate and giving less wastage of food. Tabla di hot menu. Here the set menu with the fixed price you can see. There are the major differences in a la carte menu and tabla di hot menu. Tabla di hot menu is a traditional menu, whereas the a la carte menu is a modern menu. Tabla di hot menu have a limited choices, whereas the a la carte will have a wider choices. And they have the compositely price, it is individual price. Tabla di hot caters to a large number of people in limited time, whereas a la carte cater to a limited number of people. Here in Tabla di hot require less space, equipment and skill employed, whereas in a la carte we require more space, equipment and skilled employed. Carte du jour. Menu for the day. It is considered as the other forms of menu. It is a card comprising of food item listed with the composite pricing and has been planned for the day, mostly used for a institutional, industrial or welfare catering. You can see here in this picture. Plat do jour. This is a dish of the day, chef special. A special food items prepared by the chef for a particular day. It is quite expensive. When there are multiple special items, it is not verbally promoted but written in a card with individual pricing. Digital menu boards. What is digital menu boards? Menu display on computer, monitors or TV screen considered as a digital menu board. It is commonly used in restaurant and coffee shop. Pictures and prices displayed menu items. Easy to update. Here is the short video of digital board menu. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. Have a great time. Thank you. Below mentioned references are given for this video.